Hey guys, welcome back to the Real JPW channel. I've got some more packs today. We'll jump straight in. I just wanted to ask, if anyone who's watching, if you'd be interested in Warhammer, because I do a bit of Warhammer painting. It's quite enjoyable, and I would not mind filming it and showing you guys because it's quite fun. It's quite relaxing actually doing painting. But here's one of my Ultramarines. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, if you'd like to see some Warhammer stuff, I'd gladly record some painting videos and stuff. But that's just a thought. Let's jump into the packs. So we've got Ultra Limit and 2 Rise of the Unison Warrior. And also the plan is when the new sets come out, which I think is January and February, there's like a new Zenkai series. And there's also a new Fusion World set. So when the new sets do come out, we'll get straight into them. You know, we'll exclusively only open the new sets to see if we can get the new pulls and stuff. But for now, we'll keep buying assorted packs. So let's start off with Super Saiyan Goku. I'm feeling lucky today. I don't know why. Oh, and Merry Christmas. I completely forgot it's Christmas this year, but hope you're all having a good Christmas if you do celebrate it. If you don't celebrate, hope you're having a fantastic December. Let's jump in. So, we have got Son Goku, pardon me, Savagery Awakened, Sin Shenron, Negative Energy Overflow. That is a beta card. It's got a cool art of Shenron on the back. I think I've packed this card before, but looks pretty cool. The Gang's Femme Fatale. It's a weird name for a card. Bulma, Master Scientist. Pilaf, Plotting World Domination. Absolute Confidence, that's a cool looking card. Geo Blue. Midoriya, Cold Blooded. Trunks, Flash of Brilliance. We have got Amigra, the Sinister Sorcerer. Jai, Second in Command. The first holo is a Negative Energy 2-star ball. That's a really nice holo pattern actually. And it's got I don't know if you can see it, the ball stands out in the front, and then you've got Haze Shenron in the back. That's pretty cool. And the final card is a Pilaf Missile non-holo. So nothing great there, but pretty cool holo card. I'll stick that in a sleeve. And let's go for Ultra Limit. Just mix it up a bit. Man, these Fusion World packs are really well put together. There we go. Alright. We have got a Ribbit, South Supreme Kai, Kobito Kai, Invasion of the Saiyans, Hercule, Revenge Death Ball, Magetta, or Bottom Magetta I guess, because it's both of them. A Booney, Vegeta GT, Videl. We have a, oh nice, a rare holo Raditz Saiyan. That's quite a nice looking card. And the final card is a King Goma Daima rare. Not bad. I thought that was an alternate art because the text, I thought it was gold, but it is silver text. But 2 rare holos, not terrible. I'm just gonna sleeve these up real quick. Alright, let's continue with the final Rise of the Unicorn Warrior pack. I'm not even sure who's on there. Looks like Fusions, maybe Trunks, Patara and Fusion Dance. Can we get a secret rare? I don't actually know how rare secret rares are. We packed a fair amount of super rares in the packs we already opened, but I don't know what about secret rares. Right. Son Goku, Power of Legend. Sin Shenron, Shadow Dragon Leader. Ah, there, I think that's the... Yeah, so it's Gotenks on that cover art. So Super Saiyan Gotenks, Display of Mastery. This is a leader card. Pretty cool looking. We have got Fusamasu, Advocate for Evil. That looks quite cool. Pilaf's Castle. Vegeta, Warrior That Crossed Time. VJX, Burning Impact Unleashed. So that's the other one we saw, VJX, on the cover art. So who would that be, VJX? Vegeta and Trunks, I guess. We've got a Berta, Fastest in the Universe. Giru, the Dragon Ball Discoverer. 2-star Ball. The first holo. Wow, that looks really cool. Is a Super Saiyan Trunks Envoy of Justice. It's only a common, but the artwork is brilliant. Look at that. Rainbow. Ah, it is a leader card. We'll have a look at the other side after the last card. We have got a Super Saiyan Son Goku, Pride of the Saiyans. So yeah, we got this side and then this side, which is non-holo. I really like that. Looks really cool. So we'll summarise what we got. Nothing too great pull today, but that's how it is sometimes. So we got a Negative Energy 2-star Ball, nice looking artwork. A rare King Goma from Daima. A rare Raditz and a common Trunks, which has a pretty nice artwork. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Just wanted to say thanks for the views and likes. Like, I think total it's already like 300 views across all the videos and like you know, 7 or 8 likes, so I really appreciate it. We'll have more packs coming soon. It is Christmas period, so I might have some more packs pretty soon. We shall see. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.